Welcome to Shoreline Strikes with Shernesa. So today we are here at the Caddies. We're trying to get on some snapper, sheephead, or even some snook today. Let's see what we can get on at the Caddies. Alright, let's put the shrimp on and get on up out there. Hooked up. That's like a red. Mine got off. I had a snapper.
When fishing with Shoreline, meet up with fishing with red, man. There we go.
They say you don't put the fish, but I got to sit down and fish.
Caught that stuff on the lure?
Back be hurting. So I sit down, honey. Show you how to do it. Something big over there, so I'm gonna wait to throw it because it's trying to go on the trees. Might be a big snook. Whatever it is, it's big. What you probably a mangrove. It ain't even fighting. It's not big enough. Nice mangrove. It ain't big enough. Let it go back. All right, let's get back out there. I ain't gonna sit on that thing no more. It hurt my butt. Gotta find me a little chill. soon as you throw it out there, you get a bite.
Man, I'm so mad. I needed that shrimp. I meant that snook.
Yeah, don't tighten it no more. I got another snapper. He might be big enough, so I'm gonna put him on this. Put him on there. Let's see. Let me get the ruler. So it's a 10. So we're gonna keep it. Put some snap. Back out here, we went to go get some more shrimp.
And I'm back out here because I missed that snook. The only reason why I came back and got some more shrimp because I am blue. I cannot believe I missed that, y'all.
We're gonna come get his snook.
I got to. How can you not catch another shrimp when you got these lovely babies? Look at the mangroves. Since us leaving and coming back, it came up pretty fast.
Let's see if I can get one with this one. Go right up under this mangrove. Right up under that. Getting hit already. They're kind of tricky. Rain coming, but the rain don't stop me long as it ain't pouring.
Look, they're in the car.
Okay, y'all might can't hear me because I got the shit. Good one here. Oh, I got a good one here. No. No. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh.
You got a red?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Here we go. Be 16. They got to be 18 to keep.
There we go, y'all.